waste-wise while adding more colour and flavour to your meal by using Parmesan rind and onion skin to this recipe for chicken and mushroom risotto. Start by placing the stock in a medium saucepan with the Parmesan rind and onion skin. Then bring to a simmer over high heat. While the stock is simmering, heat some of the oil in a large, deep frying pan over medium-high heat. Cook half the chicken, turning for 2 minutes or until browned and just cooked through. Then transfer it to a bowl and repeat with the remaining chicken. Next, add the mushrooms to the pan. Cook stirring for 2 minutes or until golden. Add the mushrooms to the bowl with the chicken and loosely cover with foil to keep warm. Use a slotted spoon to remove the onion skin and Parmesan rind from the stock mixture and then discard. Heat a little more oil in the pan over medium heat. Add the onion and garlic and cook stirring for 5 minutes until the onion softens. Add the rice and stir for 2 minutes until the grains appear glassy. Next, add the wine or extra stock and bring to a boil. Stirring constantly for 2 minutes, add a ladle of hot stock, stirring until the liquid is completely absorbed. Repeat with the remaining stock, stirring constantly, allowing the liquid to absorb before adding more stock. Continue cooking until the rice is tender yet firm to the bite and the risotto is creamy. This should take about 20 minutes or so. Then add the chicken, mushrooms, and add the rocket to the risotto. Stir until the chicken is heated through and the rocket just wilts. Remove from the heat and stir in half the grated Parmesan. To serve, divide the risotto among serving bowls and sprinkle with the remaining Parmesan. Try this clever waste-wise hack to take your risotto to the next level.